Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your finance declaration. First, understand that a finance declaration summarizes your financial standing, crucial for various applications. Begin by gathering all relevant financial documents, including pay stubs, bank statements, and investment records. Knowing the specific reason for your declaration, like a mortgage or a visa, will guide which details to emphasize. This initial preparation is key to a smooth process. Next, let's focus on the essential documents. You'll need proof of income, like your latest pay stubs or a Form W-2. Don't forget bank statements for all your checking and savings accounts, usually covering the last 3 to 6 months. If you have investments, gather those statements too. Finally, include any property deeds or vehicle titles to present a complete financial picture. Accuracy here is paramount. Now organize your assets and liabilities. Assets include everything you own, from cash and investments to real estate. Liabilities are what you owe, like student loans, credit card debt, and your mortgage. Clearly list each item with its current value or outstanding balance. Calculating your net worth by subtracting liabilities from assets provides a clear financial snapshot. Double-check all figures for precision. Finally, it's time to review and submit your finance declaration. Carefully check every detail for accuracy and ensure all sections are complete. Sign and date the document where indicated, as this validates your declaration. Always make copies for your personal records before submitting the original. Then, follow the specific submission instructions, whether it's online, by mail, or in person. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.